everyone, it's Hannah here. Yesterday I was practicing and I was looking at my music stand and thinking if somebody actually just saw my music stand right now, they would probably think that I'm crazy. I have so many just weird, repurposed, and just hacked objects just sitting next to my music and my metronome. I literally use all of these items every day, so I figured I would share them with you to spread the word. So pretty much everything in this video is something that you have in your own home and that you can repurpose to make your guitar playing even better. So here are 5 do-it-yourself guitar hacks to help your playing right now. So guitar hack number 1 is a do-it-yourself string mute. So I used to live in a really old building in New York City, and the walls were super thin and my neighbors could always hear me and did not like it. And this little piece of sponge basically saved my life. So for this one, all you have to do is get a sponge that has no rough sides like this one, and we're going to cut about an inch of sponge off the side. So once you have that, we're going to slip it under your strings, this, and down by the bridge. So once it's there, your guitar is going to be drastically quieter. This is great for night practicers or early morning practicers or anybody that has a spouse or a roommate. This is just perfect. So quiet, you strum. So another great thing about the string mute is that it's so quiet that you can really work on your rhythm. So with this, you can only hear the attack. This is really great if you need to practice something with specific rhythm like triplets or arpeggio passages, sextuplets, or your tremolo. So our next hack is a guitar sleeve. This is something I use basically every single time I pick up the guitar, and I don't even know what I would do without it. Generally, I use this guitar sleeve made by Oasis, which is actually made to be a guitar sleeve. It looks pretty nice, and if I'm performing, I'll use this one because it's pretty sleek looking, it's comfortable, but this isn't always around. Sometimes it's in my bag that I take for performing, or sometimes it's somewhere else and I need to just grab something. So what I'm going to do is use just a sock. Basically, I'm going to use this cut-up sock that we'll put on our arm, and this is great for keeping your arm off the guitar so that you're able to move it around. You don't want your arm sticking to the side of the guitar and limiting your mobility. This is also great for keeping your nice guitar nice. If your guitar has French polish, the sweat from your arm can actually damage the finish. So this will definitely protect your instrument. So all you have to do is get a sock, preferably somebody else's sock, and you're going to cut just like maybe the toe off. So you don't want to cut too much because you can always keep cutting, but once you cut the sock, it's cut. So let's do So here's my sock, the toe cut off, and you can slide it up your arm, this. Maybe I would make this one a little shorter. That's it, just one step to make this one. So the next hack we're going to go through is one that I honestly don't use very often, but I think can help a lot of people regardless. And stay tuned because I'm saving my favorite and most used guitar hack for last. Guitar hack number 3 is Superglue nail polish. Okay, so confession, I actually have really great nails. They grow in really fast and they're really thick and strong, and I don't really have many issues with them. But I know so many people do, and I know it's hard when you break a nail. When you play, your nails get worn down, especially if you're playing a steel string guitar. What you want to do is get the Crazy brand Superglue, just the regular tube variety, and you want to put a really small little bead of line across the bottom of your nail. So don't lay it on too thick because you don't want to risk the glue not adhering and you'll risk it just cracking off. And then once you get it on all your fingers, just wait about 20 minutes before you can play. You can repeat this process 3 to 4 times and your nails are going to be super strong for the next 1 to 2.5 weeks. So once you finish layering the superglue, you're going to want to file your nails, file them out, and then we're going to buff it take a 3-sided or 4-sided bow. Okay, so guitar hack number 4 is coming at you right now, and this one is all about your technique. So this is the hair tie habit former. So when I was learning classical guitar, I had a really bad habit of my pinky in my right hand was getting so much tension, and it kind of was doing like it was going under here while the other fingers were out here. It was a really bad habit. I've seen other people have tension in their pinky in their right hand, and I've even seen people kind of, you know, plant your pinky on the guitar, which is bad too. So you don't want this pinky sticking out, you don't want it planting, and you don't want to go in the opposite way. So the way that my teacher broke this habit for me was telling me to place a hair tie, or maybe if you don't have long hair, you can have a rubber band, and tying your 3rd finger and your pinky together like this. And what this is going to do is keep your pinky from going anywhere else. It's going to be in the habit of just staying with your 3rd finger. When you first try this, you're going to notice that your pinky is fighting against the hair tie and trying to get away from your 3rd finger. But if you practice slowly with this, maybe do some scales really slowly so that your pinky can get used to it, you're going to find that you have so much less tension in your fingers. So that's a little trick that has helped me find less tension in my right hand, and I really hope that helps you too, me. So the last hack I know can help everybody. It was such a big game changer for me, and this is a do-it-yourself guitar hack called lute pants. So I know that this is a ridiculous name, lute pants, but these guys are the bomb. The name lute pants came from a friend of mine in school who played the lute. And if you don't know about the lute, it's the back of it is not like a guitar where it goes straight back. It's like a bowl, so it goes around. And the problem with that is once you put it on your lap, it just keeps slipping down. The solution was to get a roll of shelf liner, you know, like those sticky things that you put in your shelves on the bottom. So they're available for like $3 at the drugstore, and you cut yourself 2 sheets from the shelf liner about this big. So you put them on your lap, on your legs, and then when you put your guitar down, it holds them in place. Your guitar doesn't move an inch. So having your guitar be stable while you're trying to do difficult passages is so helpful. It's definitely easier to hit a stationary target than a moving target, right? So that's it. 5 do-it-yourself guitar hacks that you can make with things just lying around your house. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please hit that like button, and also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and some videos of me playing guitar. So if you have any guitar hacks that I haven't mentioned, let me know in the comments because I would love to see what you guys come up with. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!